Hello everyone, welcome to Harles Garage. Today I have for you a 1997 Ford Ranger XLT whose interior is in need of some serious cleaning. I purchased this little Ford to be a project truck, something I could work on and build up as my own. You'll see inside that the interior is absolutely disgusting, was heavily smoked in and needs some major cleaning. If you stick it out to the end of the video, I think you'll be pretty amazed with the results. First, I started by removing the Ranger's front seats and center console. The seats unbolt with a few set of bolts and lift out easily to expose the rest of the interior carpet. You'll see with the seats out just how dirty they are as well as the carpet underneath. With the center console removed, I could focus on cleaning out the bulk of the materials and trash that were left inside. I did purchase this truck from a estate sale auction, so I got the truck as is and everything in it. I then proceeded to vacuum the entire interior with a shop vac to get the larger particles of dust and dirt out of the carpet before shampooing. I first started by shampooing the seats. In a sprayer, I diluted a mixture of Chemical Guy's Fabric Clean upholstery cleaner. After spraying the cleaner on the seats, I used a drill bit brush attachment to agitate the dirt and grime from the seats and to help create a lather. For the carpet extractor, I used a Bissell Little Green Pro portable carpet cleaner that I had purchased from Walmart and had used to clean a coffee spill out of my Dodge Charger previously. I'm very impressed with this little Bissell. You can see here in these close-up shots that combined with the Chemical Guy's upholstery cleaner, it does an excellent job at extracting the dirt out of the seats. I mean, look at all the brown gunk that it extracted. As you can see here, it made these 22-year-old seats look new. I think this quick time lapse of cleaning the armrest here really shows how well this Bissell unit works and how well this cleaning went. then place the seats out in the hot Texas sun to dry and cover them with a light coating of baking soda. Not only does this serve to absorb the residual moisture, but also neutralizes any additional odor left in the seat. I then transitioned to cleaning the entire carpet in the truck's interior. Here in this shot, you can see in the center line the difference from the extracted and the clean carpet and the stained dirty side. Now, I didn't get 100% of the stains out, but it cleaned the bulk of the dirt and grime and removed the smoke smell as well. With the interior carpet and the floor mats cleaned, I was able to transition to cleaning the center console. To clean the center console, I used a Wagner portable steamer with a nylon brush to deep clean and to disinfect the surface. With the console cleaned, it was time to clean off the interior. For this, I used Chemical Guy's Total Interior Spray. For the last year, I've been using this Total Interior Spray to clean and detail the interiors of all my vehicles. To help agitate the dirt out of the plastic, I utilized a set of brushes, then followed up by wiping down with a microfiber cloth. Finally, to finish out this detail, I used the Wagner steam cleaner again. This time, I wrapped the end in a microfiber cloth to clean out the headliner. The headliner was very fragile, so I had to clean it gently. But I was able to extract quite a bit of dirt and debris still while keeping the headliner intact. With the entire interior cleaned, it was time to assemble the center console and seats back together. In addition, I had a faulty seatbelt latch, but I was able to source one and replace it on eBay for a few bucks. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the products I used and the way this cleaning job turned out. I know I didn't remove 100% of the stains from the carpet, but considering I was using commercial cleaning products and equipment, I was left very impressed. Now I have a few more things to fix on this truck, including some heavy paint correction, diagnosing a troubled check engine light, and some possible engine modifications. But I do plan to continue on documenting my journey as I go as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see y'all in the next video.